Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed slightly positive to kick off the earnings season on Monday's trade, lifted by shares in consumer services, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and tech, hardware, and equipment sectors. On the economic docket, the Empire State Manufacturing Index rising to 4.3 in July versus a decline of 8.6 the previous month, when it reached lows not seen since late 2016. This all as 51% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, J.B. Hunt Transport Services posted second quarter EPS of $1.23 versus $1.40 a year ago on revenue of $2.26 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.69%, the Hang Seng up 0.23%, China's CSI 300 down 0.45%, South Korea's Kospi up 0.45%. European markets still navigating choppy waters, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have a lot of financials, J.P. Morgan Chase, as well as Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, and then we also have Johnson & Johnson and CSX as well. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the June import prices and export prices read. We also have retail sales figures, while 8:55 in the morning sees the Red Book. 9:15 sees June manufacturing production figures and capacity utilization, as well as industrial production figures for the month of June. And then at 10 o'clock in the morning, we have business inventories and the July NAHB housing market index. Taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 3,012. The Nasdaq moves towards 8,055, where the Dow Jones sees 27,490 in sight, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 27,280 are favored, with targets at 27,410 and 27,490 in extension.